Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video about domestic cats. Cats are amazing animals and popular all over the world. They are lovely pets and often seen as loyal and loving companions. There are many breeds of domestic cats, each with their own unique personality and distinct physical characteristics. Some are large and sturdy, while others are small and agile. They also come in a variety of colors and patterns, from solids to tabbies and stripes. Aside from their elegant and beautiful appearance, domestic cats have a unique personality that makes them beloved by many. They are independent animals, but still enjoy spending time with their owners. They are also very intelligent and can be trained to perform tricks and basic commands. Domestic cats are very clean and organized animals. They spend a large part of their day grooming and caring for their fur. They are also very sociable animals and love to play with their owners, especially with toys that encourage their natural hunting instincts. However, like any pet, domestic cats need proper care and attention. They require a balanced diet and regular exercise to maintain their physical and mental health. They also need a safe and comfortable environment to live in, with access to fresh water and a clean litter box. There are about 250 breeds of domestic cats, whose weight ranges from 2.5 to 12 kilograms, placing the species in the category of small to medium-sized pets. As with some breeds of dogs that fall within this same weight range, domestic cats can live between 15 and 20 years. Census data indicate that in the United States, there are more domestic cats than dogs. Recent estimates indicate that Brazil will soon have the same characteristic, becoming a country with a greater feline than canine population in its households. Cats, like all felines, originated from the evolution of Myosis, a predatory mammal that lived on Earth in the Paleocene era about 55 million years ago, when the earliest carnivorous mammals appeared. The first identified feline through fossils is Dinictus, dated to 37 million years ago, from which Proailurus, the common ancestor of all cat species, derived and lived about 20 million years ago. Domestic cats are members of the Felidae family, which shared Proailurus as a common ancestor about 10 or 20 million years ago. The Felis genus, to which cats belong, genetically diverged from Felidae about 6 or 7 million years ago. This genus includes several subspecies of wildcat, including the African wildcat, Felis silvestris libica, among others. Phylogenetic research results confirm that wild Felis species evolved through sympatric or parapatric speciation, while the domestic cat evolved through artificial selection undertaken by ancient human societies. The domesticated cat and its closest wild ancestor are diploid and both have 38 chromosomes and approximately 20,000 genes. The leopard cat, Prionellurus bengalensis, was independently domesticated in China around 5500 BC. This lineage of partially domesticated cats does not leave traces in today's domestic cat populations. In hunting situations, cats feed on insects, small birds, and rodents. Non-domesticated, abandoned, and free-roaming domestic cats consume between 8 to 16 meals per day. However, adult cats can adapt to just one meal per day. Cats do not produce their own taurine, an essential organic acid for mammal life. Since this substance is present in animal muscle tissue, cats need to consume meat to survive. Therefore, cats have specialized teeth and digestive systems for processing meat. The intestine has reduced in length throughout evio while the cat has several reproductive cycles throughout the year, which can last from 4 to 7 days. During this period, female cats meow more frequently and several males may fight for the same female in heat. The winner gains the right to mate. Although the female may initially reject the sexual relationship, she eventually accepts the male. After mating, the female cleans herself and can become very violent until the entire act of mating is complete, once the cycle repeats. Female cats can have each egg fertilized by a different male, resulting in kittens with different fathers in the same litter. Female cats reach sexual maturity between 4 to 10 months of age, and males between 5 to 7 months after birth. Pregnancy lasts approximately 63 to 65 days and can result in 1 to 8 offspring. Newborns should stay with the mother for 60 days, as the kitten will have received the necessary nutrients by then. Separating them before this period would be a mistake due to the possibility of them dying from inadequate feeding. Cats can be sterilized, a procedure usually performed on males before they start marking their territory. This should prevent them from perpetuating this behavior throughout their lifespan to only keep the segments that best process animal-derived proteins and fats. Measuring and classifying the senses of animals can be difficult, especially because there are no explicit means of communication between the test subject and the examiner. However, tests indicate that cats' sharp vision is largely superior at night compared to humans, but less effective during the day. Cats' eyes have the tapetum lucidum, a membrane positioned inside the eyeball that re-stimulates the retina by reflecting light into the cavity. While this trick improves night vision, it appears to reduce visual acuity in the presence of abundant light. When there is too much brightness, the slit-shaped pupil closes as much as possible to reduce the amount of light reaching the retina, which also preserves depth perception. Cats have, on average, a visual field with an estimated aperture of 210 degrees, of which 120 degrees are binocular, compared to humans' 180 degrees, with a narrower binocular overlap than that of humans. Cats that live under human care can live for over 20 years. In order to reach such age, it is recommended that from the age of 8 these animals receive special treatment, including a differentiated diet, regular veterinary checkups, and health exams. General care should be intensified at this stage, especially dental hygiene, which should be cleaned and inspected weekly.